Okay, guys.
I'm going to give you Michelle. I'm not going to give you.
Wee is going to paint Judy Hobbs. And me and my ate are going to the beach. How about Hopi?
Me. Nothing.
Nothing. I'm not going to give you shells. I'm going to give Riri shells.
Wow! Kasi bad ni Hopi.
Kasi bad ni Hopi.
Bad mo din.
Okay, I'm not going to pansin you. I'm not going to give you shells.
Pansinin you.
Just
wait for
Kaya
you.
I'm going to give you shells if napunta na kami sa beach.
Sorry.
No.
It's okay. Because I'm not going to give you.
Okay, ate, pakita your Judy Hobbs. Pakita your Judy Hobbs. Pakita your Judy Hobbs. So cute and mine. Nah. Okay, guys, that's just nothing.
Kuya Owen.
What? I'm going to tulong you?
Owen, here's Sarah Toby light.
Yeah, that, hindi. Pri, say yes or no. If you say yes, you're going to love this.
Okay. Yes.
Okay, yes. I'm going to say yes. If I say yes, I'm going to like that. If I say no, I'm not going to like that. Yes. This one, Hopi?
Yes.
No. I'm going to tulong you. I'm tulongin ni Riri.
Wait lang. No. I'm going to paint. It's going to be wet. Magsiswimming kami, Hopi.
Yeah, we're going to beach. If it's 11.
Don't panin.
Hi, Nicole.
Kasi our hair is still short hair. Sorry.
Okay. Manayos na si Hopi. Bibigay ko siyang...
Good boy. Any good? I give
If you're nice... Hayaan mo na.
Look at na tayo.
Wait.
Ako.
At look at me nga eh. I'm so kalat. Look at my damit.
Why?
Go tulong. Go tulong Riri. Tulong Riri. Okay. Is this the same? It's so pangit eh. Okay. Time for part 2. We're going to the beach. Just 4 minutes. Goodbye. I forgot I'm going to see you my face. This is me. And this is my ate.